In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a live survey in SurveyMonkey. If you've already sent a survey and realize something needs to be tweaked, maybe a question needs clearer wording or the look and feel needs a refresh, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to make clean, confident updates without confusing your respondents. Start by signing into your SurveyMonkey account and heading to your main dashboard. This homepage lists your surveys, typically showing the most recent at the top. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly find the exact survey title. You can also scan through folders or recent projects to spot it faster. Once you see the survey you want to adjust, you're ready to open it for editing. To access the editor, click the survey title to open it. Alternatively, select the three dots next to the survey and choose Edit Survey. Both options take you to the editing workspace. You'll land on the Design Survey tab, which is the central place to modify what respondents see: your questions, descriptive text, section headings, and visual theme. This is where you make your changes. Refine question wording for clarity, fix typos, or update instructions if respondents seemed confused. You can reorder questions so the flow makes more sense, or adjust answer choices to make options mutually exclusive. If a question is no longer needed, you can remove it. Just remember that deleting or drastically changing a question can affect how your existing data aligns, so make a note of what changed and when. You can also adjust the theme to better match your brand or to improve readability. Think cleaner fonts, higher contrast colors, or a simpler background to keep participants focused. As you work, be mindful that this is a live survey. Edits can influence how people answer from this moment forward. If your survey is actively receiving responses, consider making small, careful adjustments and avoid changes that could alter the meaning of previously collected data. If you must make a bigger change, time it during a lull in responses and communicate with your team so everyone understands the update. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's the key step that applies your edits to the live survey. The update is immediate, so new and returning respondents will see your changes right away. Take a breath and give your survey one final look for consistency and tone. That's it. You've successfully found your survey, open the editor,